Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rahmat-i-Alam by SYED Sulaiman Nadvi. Muhammad, peace be upon him, mercy for the universe. Translated by A.Rauf Luther. Chapter 34. Longing for Umrah. Umrah is a brief Hajj wherein ihram is worn, circuits of the Kaaba are performed, the distance between the Safa and Marwa hills is traversed hastily, and some invocation is made to God. Last year, it was decided with the Quraysh that the Muslims will be allowed to perform Umrah this year. So according to the agreement, the Prophet along with a number of companions started for Makkah. There was a condition that they would not have any weapon with them. Although the condition was not without any danger, but the craving for Kaaba was rippling in the hearts of Muslims, and thus they fulfilled the condition of Quraysh not to carry weapons with them. About 8 miles on this side of Makkah, they took off their weapons and kept them under the protection of a guard of 200 persons. The rest of the Muslims entered Makkah happily. They performed the rites of Umrah with a great enthusiasm. After 3 days, they came out of the city. Before they came out of the city, a heartening scene came to sight. The orphan daughter of Hazrat Hamza came shouting, "Uncle, uncle," and was looking towards the Prophet. Hazrat Ali took her up in his lap as she was his sister. Hazrat Jafar and Hazrat Zaid bin Haris also put their claim. Hazrat Jafar said, "Hamza was my religious brother." Such was the love for children, especially females who prior to Islam were buried alive. Islam had altogether changed the outlook of their very nature. A new enemy. Mota campaign 8H. Within the country, Islam had been facing two kinds of people, the infidels and the Jews. Now the Roman Christians appeared on the scene as a powerful kingdom. An Arab family was ruling Basra under the Roman Christians. A member of that family killed a Muslim envoy who had gone there with a letter of invitation to Islam. The Prophet dispatched 300 strongs from Medina for taking revenge of the envoy. Hazrat Jafar Abdullah bin Rawaha and Zaid were sent in the force. The command was handed over to Zaid bin Haris. The Prophet told him that if he fell martyr, the command should be given to Hazrat Jafar and then to Abdullah bin Rawaha. The king of Haran came to know of it, and he arranged an army of 10 million strongs. The Caesar of Rome, along with good many youths, had camped at Mawab. They pitched their tents. Muslims had been warned that they must first give the enemy a chance for peace treaty and invite them to Islam. When the Muslims reached there and saw millions of troops, they determined to fight them and sacrifice their lives for the sake of God. Abdullah bin Rawaha said, "We are less in number, we cannot rely on our strength, but we shall have to fight with the spirit of faith in us." So they attacked the Christian forces. Hazrat Zaid fell martyr. Hazrat Jafar took the flag and advanced. He lost one of his hands. Taking the flag in the other hand, he fought. That hand was also lost. He kept the flag with his chest. Still he was fighting. He fell martyr, receiving 90 serious wounds. Then Abdullah picked up the flag and he too fell martyr. Now Khalid bin Walid stepped forward and took the command of the Muslim army and fought tooth and nail, even if he could not overpower the Christian forces, but he made the Muslims come out of the trap of the enemy. If you like the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon and click on all. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.